To enable Always On Display in Motorola Moto G15, first you will need to download an app from Google Play Store, as the Always On Display is not available for this device. So what we need to do is, as I said, open a Google Play Store and then look for the app called AOD. It's this one right here. So we want to open it, and then when you open this app, you also need to allow any permissions that will pop up on the screen. And right here, when it's finally done, you'll be able to customize different settings for your Always On Display. I've made a dedicated video on how to do that, so you can watch it as well. But here I will show you a quick way where you can just enable your Always On Display. So we want to pick one of the options above, like stickers, watch face, background lighting, or date style. And you can preview them. There's plenty of options, but keep in mind that the ones with the diamond in the top right corner of the screen of the image are paid, so you will need to pay for them. So now finally we can select that specific, in this case this AOD style, and save it. Now when it's saved, we can lock our device and then wait till our Always On Display pops up, just like that. And that is basically everything.